What's going on tonight, YouTuber? Hope you're having a fantastic night tonight. As always, we are checking out some more A Lot Like Birds. You know, Kurt the Man. I'm super excited. This is Tantrum. Far from the tree, the apple grew rotten. You know, it's gonna be probably a sexy jam. We'll see. Anytime I hear Kurt's voice, that's the first thing I allude to. We got some tier 3 patrons to shout out. We have James, Charles, Jacob, and Cameron. Thank you all so very much. You know why we're here? Let's get right into it. Oh my gosh, yes. This instrumental is already so good. Oh, it's got that little bit of reverb. Oh, yes. Bass is going, the melodic guitars. Oh my God! It's very post-rock. The instrumental is so good. I can listen to just an instrumental version. But Kurt. The cleans and the uncleans layered. Oh. What is this flow? This is amazing. This is really reminding me of some like early Dance Cabin Dance. Yo, we're going in. That sounds insane. Oh my God, this instrumental. These screams. There's a lot of special things happening on this one. It's like the rumble of thunder. Oh, yes. What a moment. Like an interlude. Yeah. Yes. Wow. The amount of ambience. Some of these sounds are just panning around and trailing off. So dreamy. weird underneath. That melody. That is incredible. This little lead guitar thing going on over here. And the way Kurt's vocals just echo off into the distance. Snare it up. What a song! Dude! I've not heard it a lot like Bird's track like this. Oh, the drums! It just grows and grows and sounds incredible. Kids send me everything. All of the vocals. It's like a song you don't want to end. I'm so glad this is a longer one. I really am. It's you don't want it to end. Man, the tones. Wow, what a song. What a track. That was gorgeous. You know what's craziest about this entire thing is the fact that this is an official upload on Equal Vision Records, and there's 5 comments on the video and like 16,000 or something views, like hardly anything. What is going on? This is one of the most like dynamic and cool, a lot like Bird's tracks I think I've heard. Tantrum, Far From the Tree, The Apple Grew Rotten. There's something about it. It's not just the length, but it's the structure, the way it was written, the way it was mixed, like everything about it, the progression to it, all of the very almost post-rock vibes between a lot of the reverb and the ambience and the guitar tones and just the whole way that the track played out. All of Kurt's different vocal layers, and you've got voices coming left, right, center, front, back, like all over the place. The way that the cleans are layered with the uncleans, there's such a nice contrast between them, but so much reverb, again, just giving everything this huge sense of space, and the way that certain things trail off in different directions, all the different sounds that come in. There were some really cool different sounds and effects tossed in as well that were awesome. The way that the drums would kind of build up in swells, the different melodic guitar moments, there were some really cool melodies, some really amazing riffs, great bass work. Like, it's just a song that you just don't want to end. I mean, I used to listen to a ton of like post-rock instrumental type music without vocals, and this is a song where I could have seen myself listening to it. Let's say they didn't put vocals on it, you know, I would put this up there with like If These Trees Could Talk or something. There was just something to the entire structure of the song, the instrumental, that I loved. And then you just toss in Kurt's vocals and all the different styles and layers, and it just took it to a whole nother level. This was awesome. Again, it was a song that I just did not want to end. It was just drawing me in. I love the artwork here, just everything about it. So cool. A very unique song from this band. Man, I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. And as always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much. And I will see you on the next one.